Are you ever in need of products to support a healthy immune system? And lastly, do you enjoy Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and why should you use essential oils? I mean, there's a lot of stuff out there. You got herbs and other stuff that I can't mention due to FDA compliance. Well, while essential oils and plant extracts have been used for centuries, essential oils still hold relevant applications today. With advancing technology, improved quality, potency, and safety, essential oils are now more accessible and easy to use in everyday life. I mean, who doesn't want that, okay? Although essential oils were often used as a part of cultural practices and traditions of the past, you now have increasing scientific evidence and research to show the effectiveness and safe nature of essential oils in our day and age. I mean, all you gotta do is Google PubMed essential oils and you got more articles there than you have time to read. I mean, let's just keep it real. Because historically, essential oil usage was both popular and practical, but we now have resources and research that makes essential oils useful in daily life for a variety of people. Each individual has their own set of needs and preferences. Luckily, essential oils are versatile enough to provide a wide range of benefits for anyone who uses them. Some think they need professional training in order to use essential oils, but with a basic understanding of how essential oils work, it's easy to include them in your everyday routine. If you're wondering, do I really have a use for essential oils? I mean, really? Try answering the following 8 questions with the first answer that comes to your mind to see how essential oils might fit your daily routine. Number 1, do you worry about using household cleaners that may expose your children to harsh chemicals or toxins? Question number 2, do you ever look for ways to strengthen damaged hair or distressed scalp? Yes. Are you ever in need of products to keep your skin feeling and looking healthy and young? Yes. Do you ever experience discomfort associated with occasional tension in your neck or your head? Yeah, I do. Is there discomfort associated with seasonal and environmental threats? You know, stuff that is in the air that you breathe in and just doesn't, make you feel too well, or can cause you to feel a little under the weather. Are you ever in need of products to support a healthy immune system? And lastly, do you enjoy adding powerful and natural flavors to your entrees, beverages, or desserts? Well, if you answered yes to any of these 8 questions, you may have more use for essential oils in your life than you think. While some view essential oils as mysterious, complicated, or even unnecessary, they be giving the head action. Plus that, yes, sometimes digitally in the form of comments. But anyway, the truth is, essential oils can be used for household cleaning, cooking, and baking, improving well-being, and more, depending on the brand you use, as well as the quality, okay? Make sure to watch my channel for that. Along with the application for everyday life, many enjoy essential oils because of their health benefits, as well as their positive effects on their emotions. To end today's video, I wanted to share with you one of the products I like to use every day, which is the Deep Blue Polyphenol Supplements. This is an antioxidant supplement that uses polyphenols that will support your muscle and joint function, and it's something that, when you're working out or had a long day at work or just been out and about, this is gonna help you on a cellular level with natural botanicals and extracts. Boom, there you go. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Make sure to share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.